Welcome back to another episode of Meghalaya. We have been exploring Meghalaya for quite some months now, and honestly, Meghalaya never seems to run out of moments like this. There's something about places like this, where the river, the air, the silence, everything just slows you down. And this time, the Weighted Story is trying something a little bit different. Before we start, just a small heads up. The exact location and details of this place are at the end of the video. Today we are cooking in the wild. Just the two of us, no fancy setup, no big plans, just to make it as local as possible. We picked up some fresh fish from the local market and a few vegetables. That's all we needed. Alright, our fish is done. Simple food, cooked by the river. Smells delicious though. Now it's time to taste it. It's amazing how simple ingredients taste so much better out here. Maybe it's the river, maybe it's just the moment, or maybe just us. being together. So this was our little Riverside meal for today. Simple yet perfect. And yes, we never forget to keep the place clean because it's very important. So the name of this place is Mystical Rose Resort and Cascade Park, located in Milliam, which is about 3.5 hours from Guwahati and 1 hour from Shillong. And yes, we are heading to a new place tomorrow right here in Meghalaya. So stay tuned for the next video. This is the Weighted Story signing off.